what today is. It's reveal day, and we're not even kidding this time. So come on in, we're gonna show you around. Let's go.
This living room has come such a long way from where it started. If you remember, when you walked in, there was a wall that covered this entire room. We blew that wall out, we got rid of that second story, and now we've got a huge open living room that is right off the entry.
So one of our goals in this room was to really highlight that fireplace. It was so dark and small in the original space. So we covered the entire thing with encaustic tile and took it all the way up to the ceiling. It's now the focal point of this room when you walk into the house.
And I love how that beam dies into the fireplace. It's so pretty with that natural wood. And check out those chandeliers. Those chandeliers set this entire room. They're from Lighting Design Company by Capital Lighting. We decided to use these wood planks from Nebraska Furniture Mart. They are by Anderson Tuftex, and I love how rustic they look.
So moving on into the kitchen, it's so awesome now because you can actually see it from the front of the house. It's part of this room instead of being hidden behind wood. If you remember it from before, it was totally covered in wood paneling, so much brown. It was hidden, kind of tucked away at the back of the house. We blew out all of those walls and really gave this house a beautiful open light kitchen.
And I love how the kitchen is open to the living room and open to the entryway. The beautiful island in the center of the kitchen really gives it its own space.
So we had our cabinet guy build custom cabinets for the house. Then we painted those with Dorian Gray by Sherwin-Williams. All the walls are done with pure white by Sherwin-Williams. We also used pure white on the trim and doors, but we used a satin finish rather than flat.
These quartz countertops are so perfect for this kitchen. I love how light they are compared to the dark contrast of the cabinets. We found these countertops at Nebraska Furniture Mart. They're made by Arizona Tile, and we also added the same quartz to the hearth on the fireplace.
One of our favorite parts of this kitchen has to be that vent hood. We took it all the way up to the ceiling and wrapped it with wood from Reclaimed Design Works. We also love the lighting in this kitchen. The gooseneck lamps give it such a modern farmhouse feel. So cute. For the backsplash, we went with a larger matte subway tile from Floor & Decor. I love how big it is in the space. It looks so perfect on this wall. We also did a small square of our fireplace tile just above the stove, which I think really helps tie it all together.
And we can't leave the kitchen without talking about the appliances. We went with a darker stainless steel finish. We love the quality of these appliances. They are by LG, and we found them at Nebraska Furniture Mart. So pretty in this kitchen.
Now, just off the living room, we have this great office space. This is an existing room, but it was closed off by the stair wall. So we got rid of those stairs, gave it a big double wide opening, put a beautiful barn door on the front, and now it's such an awesome space. It also could make a great bedroom because it's got a closet and that full bathroom just to the side of it.
And let's check out that really pretty light right above us. So beautiful. I love the gold brass finish on it.
And we also have our awesome laundry room just off the side of the hallway.
The best part of that laundry room is the barn door. It's so pretty. It's a piece of art on the wall, but it's also functional. One of our favorite features is all the hardware that we used in this house. This front door has a really awesome keyless entry from Schlage. It's a perfect matte black. And to get inside the house, all you have to do is use a code. We also use the Bowery collection throughout the entire house.
Now let's talk about this master bedroom. I love this room. It's one of my favorite spaces in the house. Probably my favorite feature has to be the way that we wrap the walls and the ceiling with that awesome barnwood from Reclaimed Design Works.
It's so pretty and so rustic, but let's check out that light. We love the style of the chandelier in this room. It's so pretty and so soft against those reclaimed barnwood planks. And what does everybody want to see when they come into the master bedroom? The master closet. So come on in. We love the character that this carpet adds to the house. We found this carpet from Nebraska Furniture Mart. It is an Anderson Tuftex by Stainmaster carpet, and it's so beautiful.
Some of our favorite features of this bathroom are the lights. They're so cute. They give off a ton of light in here. We also love the faucets. So these are another one of those Delta faucets. Just such a modern line, and it adds to everything in this space.
And we can't leave the vanities without talking about how beautiful this quartz is. I love this gray quartz that we found from Nebraska Furniture Mart. It is by Arizona Tile and it is perfection. It looks a little bit like concrete, but it's really smooth like quartz. And we love adding texture, especially when there's a lot of blank white walls. So we decided to do this board and batten over halfway up the wall. It's so perfect and it looks really great behind this Delta tub. And we love the stand-up shower. It feels so open. We found this really pretty gray marble tile from Floor & Decor and the hex tiles to match also from Floor & Decor. We've got the beautiful matching matte black faucet. We've got glass coming in tomorrow, and then this bathroom is ready to go.
We got rid of the ugly old stairs, but we put in some beautiful new ones, and we love, love, love how they turned out. So we did oak treads for everything. We actually had our painters stain them to match the beautiful wood floors we used through the house. We went with square, just straight metal spindles, and I think it just makes it so modern looking. Very, very cool. And then we also went with straight newel posts and handrails. And you can see, take your eyes up to the light. So this is just one of the most beautiful spaces in the house. It's bright and open, and that's about it. This is one of our favorite spots in the entire house, and it is the landing that looks over into the great room. Before, this was a hallway leading to 2 bedrooms, and those bedrooms are completely gone, and you just see a giant open living room. So let's talk about these upstairs bathrooms. These are some of the cutest bathrooms. We found some really awesome wood-like tile at Floor & Decor, and we ran that down the floor of each space. We kept it classic and did the tub surrounds in subway tile, but gave it a cute little niche in each bathroom with a separate white tile.
We went with a modern matte black finish on all the fixtures, and it looks so beautiful against those white subway tiles. All of our bathroom fixtures are from Delta.
We painted the bathroom cabinets using that same Dorian gray from the kitchen. And again, all the walls, all the trim and doors of both spaces are done in the pure white.
Our stepdad's a contractor on this house, and he's so great about finding little random places that could be storage instead of having them walled off. This is a great example of that. This was walled off, and he said, hey, there's open space right there between the studs, so we've got storage for games or towels or whatever you want. Snacks.
Cheetos. Each of these 4 rooms upstairs features a different light by lighting design company, all capital lighting, and each one of them really gives us that modern farmhouse feel that we were looking to achieve in this home. Hands down, our favorite thing about this house has to be the transformation outside. We took this old 1974 home that had never been touched and gave it a completely new life.
We added 1,000 square feet of living space.
We gave that addition some board and batten finish to add charm to the house.
We also added an extra 1-car garage, giving a total of a 3-car garage, which is a huge selling point in Texas.
And let's talk about those garage doors. These are Amar garage doors, and they are a showstopper. We get that wood look without all of the maintenance that wood actually requires.
And if that's not enough, we took it up another level with the outdoor lighting.
We painted the entire exterior of the home with Dover White by Sherwin-Williams, and that black trim is called Tricorn Black, also Sherwin-Williams.
So we kept that gambrel roof, but we also added a covered front porch and changed the windows up just a little bit, and it looks so modern, but still stays true to what it was.
And the back of the house is just as beautiful as the front. We added a giant porch along the back of the house, but we also added an upstairs patio just off the bonus room. The homeowners are gonna love that.
They can see land and cows for days.
All in all, I would say it's the perfect combination. We've got the white, the black, and the cedar accents. It's so much charm. So we hope you guys loved it. We have had so much fun on this journey, but our favorite part was getting to share it with you guys. So that's our first Shaney Flip House in the books. Are we gonna do another one? Who knows? You're gonna have to follow to find out. Bye, guys.